Welcome back to Just Good Cooking. I'm your boy Chef Carlton, and if this is your first time on this channel, guys, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, I don't want you guys to miss another delicious recipe, because today I'm doing 100% keto. I have a lot of my keto people be asking me, Chef, we need some more keto stuff, so I got a stuffed chicken Primavera for you guys. Stick around, guys, this one is going to be awesome. Alright guys, today this one's 100% keto. I'm doing a stuffed chicken Primavera. So stick around, guys. I'm going to go ahead and do my prep. I'm going to clean up all my veggies, square them how I need to square them, then I'm going to get right back to you guys. Alright, so we're going to start by making some slits inside the chicken. Like 4. Alright, but not all the way through. Deep, but not all the way through. And we're going to transfer over to our bacon tin. Alright, now we're going to season with some, make sure, black pepper. Make sure you get the complete. Get a lot of it on there, rub it in. Get it in the spots. And some salt. Alright, now that we have that, we're going to go ahead and stuff our chicken. So we're going to start with tomato, zucchini, some bell peppers. If you could fit any amount anywhere. Some red onions, zucchini. And I actually tried this before, guys. I did keto for 6 months. Trust me, guys, it works. I mean, it's not for everybody. It's a very disciplined diet. You gotta be real disciplined to stick to keto. But it works. I could tell you that it works. I'm not one to jump behind fads and all of that type of stuff. But the keto, I could vouch for the keto. So you stuff it, and you could put any amount on here. It doesn't matter. There's no specific amount. I mean, if you love zucchini, you could go heavier in the zucchini. If you like tomatoes, go heavier in the tomatoes. Then we're gonna top it off with some mozzarella cheese. And we're just gonna sprinkle it over it lightly, not too much. And we're gonna bake this at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. All right. Turn them like that. Alright guys, we're gonna start by adding our salad. Cucumbers, tomatoes, some diced onions, not diced onions, some julienne onions all over the top. I'm gonna add our nice Primavera.